Catching some Z's, the art of sleep in English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the playful English phrase, to catch some Z's. If you've ever wondered about this expression, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of idiomatic expressions and uncover what it really means to catch some Z's. The phrase, to catch some Z's, is an informal way to say that someone is going to sleep or taking a nap. The letter Z is often associated with sleep because it represents the sound of snoring, depicted in comic books and cartoons. When someone says they're going to catch some Z's, imagine them trying to grab those floating letters from their dreams. The exact origin of to catch some Z's is a bit hazy, much like a dream. However, it's widely believed that the phrase originated in the United States and became popular through comic strips and animations. The letter Z was used to symbolize snoring, and over time, catching Z's became synonymous with sleeping. Now that you know what it means, let's put to catch some Z's into action. Here are some examples. 1. After the long journey, all I want to do is catch some Z's. 2. He was so tired after the exam that he went home to catch some Z's. 3. Can we discuss this later? I really need to catch some Z's right now. Notice how the phrase casually expresses the need or desire to sleep, without being too formal or direct. There are other ways to express the same idea in English. For instance, hit the hay, or hit the sack. Both phrases also mean to go to bed. Get some shut-eye, another informal way to say that you're going to sleep. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about to catch some Z's. We hope you found this exploration into English idioms both enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about culture, history, and the colorful ways we express our daily lives. Don't forget to catch some Z's tonight, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!